Jason, and I'm coming here with words from an inspector. So today we're looking at the furnace here during this inspection. The first thing when you open it up, kind of look at, feel some extra air blowing through it. Not a good sign when you see that. So come down here and look. This is inside the burner compartment here. And as you can see, there's a wide opening all the way down into where the air is coming from. So this is pushing air up into this and also potentially sucking bad air down. So this is where the burner is. This is your exhaust coming out right here. So with that, you can have exhaust fumes end up going back into your air, which is what's being pushed around the house. So just a good idea, once a year, have these furnaces serviced. That way they can come in and catch this early, because I presume this thing's been this way for quite some time. As you can see, this cap, it's supposed to plug that up, fell up, it's all burnt to a crisp now from the heat from this exhaust tube. So just recommend yearly service to keep harmful gases from getting in your house. Thanks for watching.